Okay, installation of ToolTalk. There are a variety of ways. In fact, there are as many ways of installing these devices as there are locations where these are installed. Every location offer uh, a little uniqueness, so you can actually. We have customers who have installed it on bridges, which are either concrete or railing or even uh, wood log based bridges. In addition to that, we have customers who have installed these on culverts in a cantilever kind of configuration. Um, the locations which are highly prone to vandalism. We have customers who have installed it in vandal proof bracket. Just reach out to us. There are many ways to install these. These are over here on this page. You can see an example of a few, but there are many other ways to install these units. In that, for example, that meets your engineering requirement. For example, in some cases, drilling is allowed on these bridges into the concrete or the railing. In other cases, they're not allowed, and we have solutions for both cases. Just reach out to us, and we can perhaps brainstorm ideas of how to install these units. These are very easy to install. You can I can again show you these one of these units. A typical unit is installed. It looks like this. It's about 2.5-inch girth. So one of my favorite ways to install it is through this simple clamp that you can get at a hardware store. You can install this, the unit, wrap it around, clamp the unit with this, and then install this to a bridge or to whatever structure over the water that you want to attach to. So again, very easy to install. There is no wiring or engineering usually involved in this, but reach out to us if you have any questions.